Found a nice quiet park where my mate could practice with his newly acquired Phantom B4 and I could use the Bugs 3 and mess around with some different rates. Just wanted somewhere not too challenging, where we're not going to annoy anybody. Only thing I didn't really count on was, of course, it's Magpie mating season and swooping season, but had a bit of fun. I don't think any harm was done on either side. So, here we go. So coming up, this is the first time I could see directly with my goggles and a Magpie was so close to me, and my mate was pointing out that they were starting to dive bomb me and get really close. Not that I felt any impact, so I guess they veered off before they got too close. This is slowed down to 1/10 speed, otherwise it's blink and you miss it stuff. So what I'm doing here in the main feed is, as I come up on the shelter shed with the Magpie sitting on it, I slow it down to 1/10 speed just so you can see him take off. And then I'm back to normal speed, and I observer was saying out around the Magpie, so again down to 1/10 speed to show what happened when he caught up. He almost ran into me, I think. So I was certainly faster, but when I stopped and turned around, he was right there behind me. So a bit of fun. I don't think we did any harm on either side.